Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, April 5th, 2018. And we do have one positive development before we start for today, and that is that it is actually sunny outside. We actually see the sun for the first time in several days, and let me tell you, it is greatly missed. Winds are also rapidly declining after some pretty impressive wind gusts. I've seen some wind gusts reported up to 50, 60, 70 miles per hour, leading to wind damage, down power lines, power outages, but the winds are subsiding now, coming from the west-northwest, anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour, now continuing to decline throughout the day as high pressure moves over the region. Temperatures this morning range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, and mid to upper 30s along the coast and in your urban areas. So clearly well below normal for this time of year, and temperatures will be rebounding into the mid to upper 40s, but still about 15 to 20 degrees below normal for this time of year. We want 50s and 60s, maybe even a couple of 70s, but not the case for today. But at least it's dry. On the surface map, here's our high pressure system that is going to be in control. This is the first low pressure system that we're going to be watching moving through tomorrow, with a warm front leading to some rain and snow along the coast tomorrow morning, some snow over the higher elevations. We're only talking about a coating to 2 inches at most, but it will create some slick roadways for tomorrow morning, so certainly be careful of that. On the radar, we do have some lake effect snow showers and flurries. This isn't really reaching the ground all that much, but it is interesting to see when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture that the connection of these snow showers and flurries come all the way from Lake Superior all the way down through Lake Ontario and Lake Erie and into our neck of the woods. So that's quite a long fetch of a northwesterly wind coming right off the Great Lakes. So don't be surprised if you're over the interior to see a few flurries here and there. Now, here's our first low pressure system. Here's our second. And what's going to happen is that this one's going to lift to the north and east and move through our region tomorrow with a warm front in the morning, a cold front in the afternoon. That cold front and where it stalls out is going to be key to the forecast, because the latest guidance shows that this cold front is going to be pushing south and east while this low pressure system rides up along the cold front, and that means the heaviest precipitation is now expected to remain off the coast. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Scattered cloud cover is expected, highs in the mid to upper 40s. For tonight, look for increasing clouds with snow developing towards morning over the northern interior and rain snow mix along the coast. Look for temperatures to fall into the lower to mid 30s. Temperatures will rapidly rise as that warm front moves through. So look for any frozen precipitation to change over to rain by mid to late morning, with limited, if any, snow accumulation over the interior. Again, we're only talking about a coating of 2 inches, and most of that will be on cold surfaces. By the afternoon, temperatures will be rising rapidly into the upper 40s to lower 50s along the immediate coast of northern interior, mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. Then the cold front moves through. And here we are on Saturday morning. This cold front will be sinking south, and this low pressure system will be riding along the cold front while it's sinking south. So what we can expect is a period of rain and snow developing over the region and continue on through the day, but that whole band is sinking south and east while the low pressure system is moving along the cold front. So what it looks like we're going to see is a periods of rain and snow, some accumulation. The most I've seen in model guidance, taking out the NAM guidance, which is way too aggressive and actually shifted 150 miles from the 0Z to 06Z guidance. So that's why I'm leaving it out and using all the other models. Basically, at most, we're talking about 1 to 3 inches on cold surfaces, if that. Okay? And that's if you get one of those heavier bands. Otherwise, we're talking about a rain-snow mix, temperatures holding in the mid-30s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs throughout the day. So definitely a very chilly day, raw day, ugly day. If you have outdoor plans, I would change them. I certainly wouldn't want to be outside in that environment. But the good news here is that the threat for any heavy accumulating snowfall, the good news is that the whole weekend is not ruined. This low pressure system leaves Saturday night, and by Sunday, clear skies are in place, with temperatures still well below normal for this time of year. But at the very least, Sunday will be sunny and dry. look for lows in the mid-20s and highs in the lower to mid-40s. So certainly well below normal for this time of year. On Monday, high pressure remains in control with sky cloud cover, lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. On Tuesday, we're going to watch this low pressure system right here as it could produce some very heavy rainfall and strong winds. We'll have to see the exact track of this low pressure system, but certainly temperatures will be above freezing with lows in the mid to upper 30s and highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Wednesday, high pressure will be in control, a bit breezy, lows in the lower to mid 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And on Thursday, with high pressure shifting off the coast and a southwesterly wind developing, look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. That's your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.